So very warm good afternoon to one and all present here. So today we are going to represent our chart on tense. So what is tense? So tense denotes the time of action. It shows when the work is done. So now Ankita will tell us what is present tense.
When an action is happening right now or happening regularly is the present tense. The present tense, there are four main types of present tense: simple tense, continuous tense, and perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. So let's understand what is the simple tense. It is used to denote scientific facts, universal truths, or the work denoted daily on the daily basis. So the formula for the simple tense is subject plus verb, first form, and plus object. So we can write some example for this. So first example is she write a letter. So let's understand what is the continuous tense. It is used to show an action that started in the past and has been finished right now. So formula for continuous tense is subject plus is mr plus words first form plus ing plus object. So example for this is she wrote a letter. So present, let's understand present tense. It is used to denote, it is used to show an action that started in the past and has been finished. For formula is subject plus has been plus objects, words third form plus object. So the example is she has been writing a letter. Let's understand perfect continuous tense. It is used to show the action which started in the past and still continue. So the formula is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb forms plus ing plus object. So the example is she has been writing a letter. So now Sakshi will tell us what is the past tense.
So past tense is the verb form you use to talk about things happen first. Now I can tell us what is past simple tense. So used to indicate an action completed in the past. It after occurs with adverb of time. Sometimes it is used without an adverb of time used for past habits. Now the formula of past tense is subject plus verb 1 plus object, and the formula of simple past tense is she wrote a letter. Now I can say past continuous tense. So used to denote an action going at a simple time in the past. The formula of simple continuous tense is subject plus first verb plus verb 1 plus ing plus object, and the example of past continuous is she was writing a letter. And the next one is past perfect tense. Used to denote an action completed before a certain moment in the past, and the formula of this simple past perfect is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object, and the example is she had written a letter. Now the last one is perfect continuous. It is used to denote an action completed before a certain moment in the past, usually a long time ago. Formula of past perfect continuous is subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing plus object, and the example of this past perfect continuous is she had been writing a letter.
So let's understand what is the future tense. The verb tense that's used to talk about things that haven't happened yet. Means the things will happen in the future. We can say in the simple language.
Now the next one is simple tense. The tense tells us about an action has not occurred yet and will occur after saying are in the future. For the formula of this future simple tense is subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object, and the example of future tense is she will write a letter.
So now let's see continuous tense. It is used to express an ongoing action in the future. The formula is subject plus will be plus verb for first form plus ing plus object. Example is she will be writing a letter.
Now the next one is perfect tense. It is used to express an action which will happen, occur in future and complete it in certain time. The formula of future perfect tense is subject plus will have plus verb 3 plus object, and the formula and the example of this future perfect tense is she will write a letter.
Now the turn of perfect continuous tense. It is used to talk about action that will commence to fixed time in the future and will continue for some time in the future. For the formula is subject plus will plus object plus have plus been verbs form plus ing. The example is she will have been writing a letter. Thank you.